Welcome to Aarti's Education. In this video, we are going to learn question number 17, 18, 19 and 20. Let's look to the question number 17. A sack had 40 kg 300 grams of vegetables. There were 17 kg 700 gram potatoes and 13 kg 400 gram cabbage, and the rest were onions. What was the weight of the onions? Here the total weight of sack is 40 kg 300 grams, and from that 17 kg 700 grams are potatoes and 13 kg 400 gram is the weight of cabbage. To find the weight of onions, we have to find the rest weight, so we can easily find the onions weight. So for each, first of all we are going to add the weight of potatoes and cabbage, and then we are going to subtract the sum of these from total weight. So let's write the answer here. First of all, we have to add these potatoes and cabbage. So can we find the total weight of potatoes and cabbage? For it, make a columns. We are going to make two columns, one for kilogram and second one for gram. This is the problem of addition, so let's make an extra column on lower side. Write here kilogram and gram. Now the weight of potato is 17 kg and 700 grams. Weight of potatoes, and then 13 kg and 400 gram. This is the weight of cabbage. Weight of cabbage. Now let's add it. 0, 0. 7 plus 4, it's 11. 7 plus 3, it's 10. 1 is carry forward. 1 plus 1, it's 2 plus carried 1, it's 3. Now look here, in the gram column we have 1100 gram, and we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So we are going to convert these grams into kilogram. Let's subtract 1000 from 1100. Here the subtraction is 100. Let's add this 1000 gram into kilogram column. It's a 1 kilogram. So 30 plus 1, it's a 31. These are the weight of potatoes and cabbage. Now let's subtract these from total weight of sack. The total weight of sack is 40 kg and 300 grams. Let's subtract it. So can we find the total weight of onions? This is the problem of subtraction, so we are going to make an extra column on upper side. So can we easily borrow numbers? Now write here kilogram and gram. The total weight is 40 kilogram and 300 gram minus weight of potatoes and cabbage. It's a 31 kilogram and 100 gram. Let's subtract it. We can subtract here 100 from 300 easily, so there is no need to take or borrow numbers. So let's subtract here. 300 minus 100 it's a 200, and 40 minus 31 it's a 9. So this is the weight of onions. Now question number 18. The question is, one day Gurminder Singh walked 3 kilometers 750 meter and Parminder Singh walked 2 kilometers 825 meter. Who walked farther and by how much for each? First of all, we are going to compare the walking distance of Gurminder and Parminder. So can we find who walked farther? The Gurminder's walking distance is 3 kilometer 750 meter, and Parminder's walking distance is 2 kilometer and 825 meter. When we compare these both, we find that Gurminder's walking distance is greater than Parminder's walking distance. So here in this question, Gurminder walked farther. This is the answer of our first question. Gurminder Singh walked farther than Parminder Singh. Now to find by how much, let's subtract these both distance. For it, make columns. Now the units are kilometer and meter. Let's write here the units, kilometer and meter. Gurminder Singh's walking distance is 3 kilometer and 750 meter. This is the distance of Gurminder Singh. Right here Gurminder Singh. And Parminder Singh's walking distance is 2 kilometer and 825 meter. We have to subtract. So can we find by how much Gurminder Singh walked farther? Here, when we observe these two, we find that we can't subtract 825 from 750. So we have to borrow 1 from kilometer. It's a 2 kilometer now, and 1 kilometer becomes 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter in meter column. So let's write here 1000 plus 750. It's a 1750 in meter column now. Now let's subtract it. Here we can't subtract 5 from 0. So 10 minus 5, it's a 5. Then 4 minus 2, it's a 2. 17 minus 8, it's a 9. 2 minus 2, it's a 0. The answer here is 925 meter. So we can write here Gurminder Singh walked 925 meter farther. Now question number 19. The question is, Suresh bought 3 kilogram 250 gram of tomatoes, 2 kilogram and 500 gram of peas, and 1 kilogram and 750 gram of cauliflower. These three vegetables he bought. How much was the total weight of the vegetables he bought? We have to find the total weight of these vegetables. Here we have to make only addition. Let's add it. Let's add the weight of peas, tomatoes and 19's. Answer is make columns here. Here we have to write the units kilogram and gram. Now write here the weight of tomatoes, that is 3 kg and 250 gram. 3 kilogram and 250 gram. This is the weight of tomatoes. Then 2 kilogram and 500 gram for peas. 2 kilogram and 500 gram. Right here peas, and 1 kilogram and 750 gram of cauliflower. 1 kilogram and 750 gram of cauliflower. Now let's add them. 0, 5 plus 5, it's a 10, 1 is carry forward. 5 plus 2, it's a 7, 7 plus 7, it's 14 plus 1, it's a 15. Now in kilogram column, 3 plus 2, it's a 5, plus 1, it's a 6. Now look here in gram column, we have 1500 gram, and we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So we have to convert these grams into kilogram. For it we are going to subtract 1000 from this. Now here are 500 gram, and let's add 1 in kilogram column. 6 plus 1, it's a 7. So the total weight is 7 kilogram and 500 gram. Now question number 20. The question is, Jalgaon, Bhusawal, Akola, Amravati and Nagpur lie serially on a certain route. The distance between Akola and these other places are given below. Use them to make word problems and solve the problems. The distance of Amravati is 94, Bhusawal 154 km, Nagpur 249 km and Jalgaon 181 km. Now here we can make sentence as what is the distance between Amravati and Bhusawal, what is the distance between Bhusawal and Nagpur, and what is the distance between Nagpur and Jalgaon. Also we can write as what is the distance between Amravati and Jalgaon. Here I make 2 sample questions. You can write as your own choice. Question number 20's answer is, the first question I make here, what is the distance between Amravati and Bhusawal? So to write the answer of this question, we have to write the distance of Amravati and Bhusawal. Amravati's distance is 95 km and Bhusawal's distance is 154 km. Let's subtract this. 154 minus 95. 4 minus 5. Here we can't subtract it. So let's subtract 14 minus 5. It's a 9. And 14 minus 9. Here is the answer 5. So 59 km is the distance between Amravati and Bhusawal. We can write here as the distance between Amravati and Bhusawal is 59 km. You can make this type of questions from it. This is the fifth part of problem set 47. Hope you understand. Let's see you in next video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.